Today, we will give you 3 examples of an e-commerce website. This is the first example for today, and as we notice, this website is characterized by the color blue and white. So the harmony of colors makes the buyer feel that he is buying from a reliable place and not just anything else. If we scroll down a little, we see some pictures and clips of the displayed product, and next to them is the total price of the product, along with the name of the product and a short description of it. You can also add email and any method that enables the buyer to communicate with the seller. If we scroll down a little, a table appears that contains the characteristics and features of the product to be sold, along with some pictures showing the use of the product, and at the end, a purchase button that takes the buyer to the place where he will fill out his information to complete the purchase process. On the Diamond website, there is a place to search for anything you want, and there is also a cart. And this cart means that there is a new product, and there is a login so you can purchase, as well as discounts, prices, evaluation, and information about the product, in addition to a video that shows you the shapes and colors that you can put in these wings. There is a button to buy. On the Smart Shop website, beginning at the top, you'll find the login button and the search bar, the company logo, and also the shopping cart. After all this, you'll find the full name or title of the product, the price in dirhams, the manufacturing company of the product, some of its features and specifications, and a video explaining how this product works. Following that, there are some illustrative pictures, and at the end, you'll find the Buy Now button. That's all for today, and goodbye.